Okay guys, so here it is out of the original package, still in the plastic, and it says Baby Bear Professional Brushes for professionals like me, because I'm a professional, don't know how to put makeup on girl. Hey, I am in business. Okay, but they did say for beginners and professionals, so that is a plus for me. That is a plus for me. So let me open it up. It comes in this nice pouch. It's so beautiful. It's well made. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's lined in. It's beautifully lined, and as you can see, it's really well made. Let me turn this out. I'm gonna turn it out so you can see the pouch. I'm very impressed. Look at that. It's stitched up very nicely. Okay, this is the inside of the pouch, which is beautiful. Okay, and it has a really sturdy zipper. You know, sometimes you have some zippers and they get tugged on something and they break immediately. So this is a really nice zipper, and the only thing I think should have been on this pouch is a little thing to carry it with, but sometimes those get tugged on stuff and it's just better without it. You just want your bag, you just hold it and you have your business ready. Okay, so that's a cute pouch. It comes with this beautiful beauty blender, which is very nice. I don't want to take it out the pack because these things are going to be used on my face, so I really don't want to take this out the pack. But I like the little squishy sound it's making and all that crimply sound, so let me stop it. But yeah, I like that. And this is the brush cleaner. This is the brush cleaner. I can take this out the pack. I don't know if I want to do that either, because I might have this as a part of a giveaway, so I might not take these out, because who knows, maybe I don't know how to put makeup on and I'm gonna just use this as a part of my giveaway. So who knows, I don't want to take it out the pack then. I'm gonna leave it in there until I make up my mind. If I have decided, I will do it in my giveaway video, because I have not done that yet. Anyways, let's move on. Okay, so here are the brushes. They came in this little plastic bag, so let me get this bag open. If I'm opening this, because the brushes do come with a little plastic over them to keep them from getting all dirty, so I can actually open this up so you can see the brushes. I can take them out there so you can see them, and I'm going to count them real quick. Okay, that took forever. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I guess they don't count this when they're counting the stuff. They just count the 15 pieces. Those are the 15 pieces, and this is your brata for yourself. But let me look up the name of the brushes on my phone so I can go through each one with you. Okay guys, so here goes nothing. The brushes have the name. It says Baby Bear in silver writing on the brush itself, and this brush right here is the eyebrow brush. This little white one here is the eyebrow brush. And I'm just going to tell you the name of the brushes because I'm not a makeup expert, so I wouldn't know exactly what is what. And as you can see, all the brushes have the name Baby Bear. I'm trying to get the glare of the light off of it. Okay, there it is. It says Baby Bear, and I think they're very pretty. Why didn't they just use gold for the entire thing? I guess they wanted to make their name look different. That's fine with me. This here is the powder brush. This is the powder brush. This is the foundation brush. And this one right here is the contour brush, because it's kind of slanted to the side. So this is the contour brush. This other one right here is the blusher brush. Yep, this is a blusher brush. Okay, and keep it moving. Okay, I think there's like 2 eyebrow brushes, or this is the bronzing brush. Okay, I think this one is the bronzing brush. So I use this, you can use this as a bronzer. And this one right here is the contouring brush. This is the contouring brush. I'm looking at this thing on the phone. I'm confused because I'm not sure which one is which. I think this is a concealer brush. Yep. This is a concealer brush or contour brush. I know this one is the fan brush because it looks like a fan. This is a bronzing brush. Now this one is the bronzing brush. This little white one right here is a bronzing brush. And it also has another eyeshadow brush. There's so many brushes in here for eyeshadow, bronzing. Okay, the littlest one is the lip brush. This is for your lips. You see how small it is? That's what you use to apply your lipstick. I will have to have my sister over here because she's the makeup guru in the family to help me with these. Anyways, let me keep this moving. This here is... Oh, so this is the concealer or the contour. I'm not sure. Oh, this is the foundation brush. This is the foundation brush. This nice slanted one is the foundation brush. And this here beautiful one is the blending brush. I like the shape on this. I love how small it is. I think if I'm gonna be using these, this is one is gonna be my favorite because I do like a nice blending brush. And this is now the eyebrow brush. This is what you use to put your eyebrow makeup on, but this brush, let me show you guys. I had to take my gloves off. My hands are ugly, I'm sorry. This is kind of thick. You see how thick that is? For your eyebrows, you want something that is super flat. And this is not flat. So, I don't know. Maybe you could, after you put the product on it, it will be flat. But it's super thick for a makeup brush. For an eyebrow brush. At least it's nice stiffness. I know I'm touching this one. It's easily cleaned with some alcohol, so you know, but I had to look at that one especially because I know what that one is. That's the eyebrow brush. But all in all, I like the feel of them. They're not, you know, frizzing out. They're not frizzing out. They're nice and soft. Really nice and soft. And I don't know. Take a good look at them, guys. Take a good look at the bristles. I just love the different colors. I like that they have different colors, so you know what is what. I just like that. So you know, all the white ones, you can actually, you know, put them, like if you have a big thing with makeup, you can put the white ones together and these two-toned ones together, and your eyebrow and your makeup and your lip brush. I would just, you know, put these where my eyeliner and my lip stuff are, because I always like those different, because you use those all the time for applying your lip gloss, and your eyebrows have to be on fleek, if they even say that word anymore. On fleek. Yes, I'm not hip or with the times, so I don't know. But anyways, that's it for my unboxing. I might be giving this away in my giveaways. Comment in the comment section if you would like to for me to give away this set, because I bought makeup brushes to put my makeup on, but I don't see it happening. But who knows, I might just give it away. Comment if you want this set in the giveaway that I'm doing for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I can see that it's gonna be sooner than later, so hurry up, guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and comment in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up. Follow me on social media. those are all I require for you to do to be placed in my 1,000 subscription giveaway. That's all I need. Yep, that is all I need from you guys, and I thank you for watching, and don't forget to be fly like Regina Nails Be Fly. Bye guys.